In our previous lesson, we established a framework for understanding AI. Look for specific tasks rather than entire jobs, and pay attention to recurring abilities like prediction and pattern spotting. Now we are going to apply that framework to our first industry case study, money and commerce. Finance is one of the most AI-heavy industries in the world, largely because money generates massive, highly structured datasets that algorithms can easily read and analyze. Welcome to Chapter 12, Section 2, Follow the Money. This graphic maps out the 4 specific areas we will cover: analyzing data to stop thieves, predicting whether a borrower will repay a loan, leveraging algorithms for wealth management, and improving everyday consumer interactions. Every time you tap a card, swipe a screen, or deposit a check, you leave a highly structured data trail. Financial institutions use that exact trail to train algorithms to protect, evaluate, and grow your money. Let's start our financial journey with real-time fraud detection. Catching fraud is a prime example of pattern spotting in action. Specifically, banks use a technique called anomaly detection. The system learns what your normal spending habits look like, and it flags any activity that sharply departs from that pattern. This diagram shows what happens in the milliseconds after you swipe your card. The transaction data, including the purchase amount, your location, the time of day, and the merchant type, flows rapidly into a central model to generate an instant risk score. Banks have to carefully calibrate these models to solve a specific dilemma. They want to catch thieves, but they also want to avoid false positives, blocking a legitimate customer from buying dinner because the model mistakenly flagged a normal transaction. When the system detects a potential issue, it often reaches out for human verification. That automated text message asking if you authorized a recent purchase is anomaly detection directly interacting with you in the real world. Safely tapping a card anywhere in the world relies entirely on these anomaly detection models running invisibly at high speed in the background. Moving from pattern spotting to prediction, we encounter credit and lending. Whenever you apply for a loan or a credit card, you enter the process of underwriting, assessing risk before agreeing to a financial deal. In modern banking, credit scores and underwriting rely heavily on the algorithmic prediction of risk. This flowchart illustrates how raw consumer data flows into an automated risk estimate node. AI models can review massive datasets to estimate your likelihood of repayment much faster than traditional manual review, quickly routing your application to approval, denial, or human review. But we need to pause for privacy and fairness. If historical lending decisions were biased against certain neighborhoods or groups, a model trained on that data can quietly repeat that unfairness. That makes the human review branch a critical safety net. Before trusting an automated financial decision, consumers should ask 3 vital questions. Is the data feeding the model accurate? Can a human review the decision if it seems wrong? And can I see the specific reasons my application was denied? Algorithmic prediction offers incredible speed for lenders. However, because a credit denial profoundly impacts a person's life, regulatory oversight and human review remain mandatory. AI in investing is a tale of 2 different approaches: extreme speed and broad access. The speed comes from algorithmic trading, where software buys and sells financial assets automatically in fractions of a second based on strict rules. The broad access comes from consumer-facing tools known as robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are online services that build and manage investment portfolios using algorithms with little to no human intervention. This is an example of reinvention. Software took professional, scalable portfolio management and made it affordable for ordinary people. There is a persistent myth that because these tools use AI, they can predict short-term market movements. They cannot. No AI reliably predicts where the stock market is heading tomorrow. As we can see in this portfolio dashboard, a robo-advisor simply automates sensible investing habits. It spreads your money across a variety of assets and automatically rebalances those investments over time to maintain your chosen risk level. The true value of AI in personal investing is the automation of financial discipline, not a crystal ball for picking stocks. Our final stop looks at everyday consumer interactions. Insurance companies use AI to predict risk and perceive damage. If you take a photo of a dented car bumper, An AI model can instantly scan the image, estimate the repair costs, and start processing the claim. We also interact with AI whenever we contact customer service. Modern banking chatbots powered by large language models are a very clear example of augmentation in the workplace. These chatbots can handle routine queries, like checking a balance or finding a due date, which frees up human staff to handle complex, emotional, or high-stakes disputes. You can see several of these systems working together right here in this exploded view of a standard banking app. At any given moment, fraud screening, a customer service chatbot, spending insights, and check photo deposit are all running simultaneously. For most consumers, financial AI does not look like a sci-fi supercomputer. It looks like a mundane, convenient app sitting on their phone. Returning to our roadmap, we can check off all 4 pillars of our financial case study. We saw anomaly detection, securing transactions from fraud. We looked at risk prediction, accelerating credit and insurance decisions. We examined robo-advisors, reinventing wealth management. And we saw chatbots augmenting customer service. These automated systems provide enormous convenience, but they also carry unique tension. An algorithmic mistake in a video game is an annoyance. An algorithmic mistake in finance directly threatens a person's money, insurance, and access to modern life. Because money produces such vast amounts of structured data, finance will remain the ultimate high-stakes testing ground for the future of artificial intelligence.